Alibaba stock is trading at 72.38 and it is down around 76% from its all-time high set in October of 2020, during which they saw their market cap go from 837 billion to where it sits today at just 181. The security is down thanks to a number of factors, but the slide can mainly be attributed to the economic slowdown in China and a rise of competitive threats. And their net income had taken quite a hit back in 2021, 2022, but it's now showing signs of some good recovery. They recently tried some share buybacks to improve investor confidence, but that had pretty minimal effect. And they have recently announced some massive restructuring plans, so only time will tell how that plan goes. They beat 2 of their last 4 earnings calls by varying margins, which is all right. Their debt to equity is 0.16, which is great. And their 2023 EPS was 7.84, and they're expected to have an EPS of 8.83 by March of 2027, which is, I don't have an upside there, but an 8.83 EPS in 2027 multiplied by their current PE of 13.44 results in a projected stock price of 118.68, which is a 64% upside potential from today. However, if we look at their historical valuation, their PE has typically hovered around the 24 mark, peaking at around 85 in September of 2022, and a PE of 24 combined with their projected EPS of 8.83, again for 2027, would mean a price of 211.92 at that time, and a PE ratio of 85 multiplied by that PE, or by their EPS, would mean a stock price of 750.55, which is a 936% upside. Now, a PE ratio of 85 is definitely wishful thinking, and even 24 might be a little high for 2027. So I think a valuation of 17 is pretty fair, kind of between that, their average of 24 and where they are today at 13.4. So assuming that 17 PE, their 2027 projected EPS of 8.83, my realistic price projection that I think is fair is 150.11, which is a 107% increase over where it trades today at 72.38. And this price is obviously going to rely on Alibaba's restructuring efforts being successful, and being successful enough to produce an EPS of 8.83 by 2027, because that should also improve investor confidence to the point where it increases the valuation along with it. Again, I'm projecting that 17 mark, and so massive gains are not out of the question if 107% gain is, more on the reasonable side. So investors that think Alibaba's restructuring efforts are going to be effective and that China's economy is going to improve by 2027 probably won't regret picking up a few shares today. So please drop a like, feel free to comment any stocks that you would like me to cover, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.